yeah, they were talking and I was just greeting and nobody answered me. It felt really awkward.
From my lab to the school park is very far and I'm really tired. I just had to do this resting and I'm so tired, I beg. Hello guys, I just got to the lab now and I'm literally the only one inside here, although I think some people are already around because I can see bags, but nobody is inside this place and I don't know how I'm feeling. I'm feeling shy. I don't even know how I'm going to face the supervisor and every other person here. I'm just shy. I don't know what to do. I'm patiently waiting for a friend of mine here so that I'll be able to gather courage to go and greet my supervisor. And if I don't know, she's not around yet, so I'm just going to wait until I don't know. I'm just shy because after like how many months and I'm coming back. Honestly, I don't even know how I'm going to. Anyways, yeah, I'm just going to. Even the school, there are so many grasses all over the place, and the fact that they've even called off the strike and school has given us a particular day to resume and they're still not done with the cleanup. I don't know, because a whole lot of places are still surrounded with grasses and a lot of dirt. So yeah, anyway, I don't even know how this is going to go, but whatever and how it goes, I'm going to keep you guys updated.
So guys, I'm back home and I eventually gathered the courage to go and greet the supervisor and every other staff members there. And yeah, I don't know, there's this particular thing that I learned while growing up, that they said if an elderly person is talking, maybe one or two, or obviously one person cannot be talking to himself, so if elderly people are talking and you pass by the whatever, you are not supposed to greet because they are having a conversation, so that you don't distract them with your greetings. So I've always been doing that right from time, but then there was a particular day I did that and I was called back by those people that so I cannot greet and all that. So ever since then, whether they are talking, they are not talking, no, me, I don't know, I shall greet. So when I went there, I saw my supervisor and they were having some kind of conversation because the new VC of the school is going to the lab, so they were trying to do some cleanup and all that. So yeah, they were talking and I was just greeting and nobody answered me. It felt really awkward. I didn't know what to do. I just stood there and then I'm like, in my mind I was like, should I just go? Should I just stay? I don't know. Eventually I just left. I mean, I just know that even though nobody answered me, they've answered me. That's just it. Even though they did not answer, they've answered me. They've heard my greetings. So I just had to leave the place and yeah, that's it. So I'm not doing this. If elderly people are talking, don't interrupt them with your greetings. I just greet and go. Abi, what can I say? So I didn't do much in school today. I did something, yeah, and I left early, but I'm going to go throughout this week because this is my logbook. I want to fill it and do a whole lot of things because we are asked to submit our logbook on or before December 14th, so I have to complete it and then start working on my SIWES report. So like there's a whole lot of things that I need to do and I'm not sure if I'll be doing much of my hair stuff. I don't know, but whichever one, I hope I gather the strength to do, yeah, to be consistent. Okay, so right now I want to edit some videos I did, so I don't know when next we are going to be seeing, but for now, bye. Bye 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 bye.
Hello guys. Today's Tuesday and I'm about to go home. I just left the bank now. I went to withdraw money and today was really productive. But anyways, I need to continue this when I get home because I'm shy. Did you see that? Oh my. So guys, I'm back home and I got this tomato and pepper with fish because I want to make stew. Like this is going to be the first time I'll be cooking since I got back to Ilorin. I've not been cooking. Yeah, you'll be wondering what I've been eating. Okay, I think today is the I got back here on Saturday and today's Tuesday. So yeah, since on Saturday I got back here. I've not cooked, but I'm going to cook today. So guys, like I said, I had a really productive day today. I was able to fill in my logbook, although I'm not done, but I have like 3 more pages left to fill, and the ones I was able to do today, my supervisor signed them for me, so I'm happy. So I'm just going to complete the remaining 3 pages and then do the drawings. And yeah, baby girl is going to be done with the logbook, and I'll start planning to prepare my report. Yeah, guys, look at my hair. I got a whole lot of comments today in school. Like everybody was just admiring my hair. Even myself, like I'm feeling the hair. Like you see this? Oh my god! Don't know how long I've been anticipating for this type of bun at the back. Whenever I part my hair, before if I part it, it used to look like chicken fowl nyash. If you know fowl, you know what I mean. But now you everywhere is thick. So I'm just going to, make my stew and eat and then rest because I need it. I need to rest, okay? Hey guys, I'm back again and I just got back home. I feel so tired. I forgot to mention that yesterday I went to the optometry department for my eye checkup, and I was told to get an eye drop. So that was the eye drop I was struggling with. I was unable to actually use the eye drop because I can't actually achieve that without a mirror. So yeah, I'm home now. I'm just going to do that right away and I'm just going to rest. And I got my favorite biscuit. I saw it today to buy. Yeah, this is it. If you know this biscuit, this is my favorite. So cool. This is it anyways. So guys, sometimes this is what we do behind the camera. You just want to be free instead of wearing all this, and I just had to tie this wrapper, man. I beg. I needed to be free. And I was just feeling myself. Trust me, guys. Sometimes you see us wearing t-shirts, corporate wear, but behind the camera, maybe we're even wearing boxer. So yeah, we're doing a walk at the lab, some microbiology stuff. Hello guys, baby girl is currently at the walkway. I'm resting because I'm going to the park. I'm going home, but the distance from my lab to the school park is very far and I'm really tired. I just had to do this resting. And I'm so tired, I beg. Hey guys, so today's Saturday and I'm done washing my clothes and I'm also done cleaning my room. Yesterday I couldn't do any vlog because there was so much work at the lab and I got back home really tired. So yeah, but now I'm done with my Saturday usual cleanup and all that. So I want to eat. Yes, I'm going to eat and then I have my seminar topic to start working on. I really need to figure out the outlines and then start working on it because I'm planning to go and see my supervisor next week. So this is going to be the end of the vlog. You guys should be expecting more weekly vlogs, but for now this is where I'm going to end this video. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, also share, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, bye.